Hello everyone, my name's Al, and in this video we're going to be fitting outside the tap. I've already bored the hole in the wall for the pipe to go out. Now I'm just going to drain off any water that's in the pipe, if there is anything in there. Seems pretty empty. That's a good sign. I'm going to take the waste pipe off to give me the more access, and I end up cutting the copper pipe up here, put a T in, and I'll probably fit another ball valve just for a safety mechanism for any problems outside, can turn the water off. Yeah, you want to make sure you clean the copper pipe as far back as possible before you put it into the joint. And you also want to make sure you get plenty of flux inside the joint and a little bit on the outside of the pipe. And then when you sleeve it together, sorry, I had to do that off camera. I'm going to go one end. And then you want to get the heat into the joint, so you melt the flux. And then when you apply the solder, then the solder should run nice speed around. And then also, once it's set, then you want to get like a wet rag and just run it around the joint, and that will give you a smoother finish. Right, PTFE tape, you're going to want to be putting that on anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on if you've got a left hand thread or right hand thread. This is the normal standard right hand thread, so I the PTFE tape on anti-clockwise, and that's the reason when you tighten it up that it actually cuts in and makes a seal. And that way you should have a nice tidy finish. Yeah, so you want to put it on so you don't get a leak. If you're drilling into red brick, I'd drill the outside inwards rather than inside out, as you can see this happens with the red brick cracks. But I'm not too bothered because this building contractor going to be rendering over this. Ideally I would have liked to have brought the pipes all the way out, so it would have been over the top of the new render that's going on. If you get any leaks, obviously you're going to have to hack it all back off, but it's what the building contractor wanted to do. So I'm going to have to get another chrome bit tomorrow now, and I can adjust this one and bring this out so the same. Do we have any leaks? Let's find out. Really good up here so far. Nothing leaking out yet. Good. No leaks there. Ideally, I would have liked to put a pipe clip on her. I'll probably do that later there, because I don't have nothing to hand at the minute. We're all nice and dry, so look outside. Yeah, we're all good. no leaks, which is a good thing. Putting everything back together now. Hope this video can help somebody if they ever do decide to do a tap themselves, an outdoor tap or an indoor tap, pretty much all the same type of thing with plumbing. I'd appreciate if you can give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.